Freestyle 2. May character na ako, pero gawa tayong bago. Poo. Ano bang gusto ko ngayon? Power forward. Gawa tayong something na anong dual guard. Feel ko hindi naman to important or something. Gawa tayong point guard. Next.
Hi, I'm Saru from Freestyle 1.
Wow! Hi! From Freestyle 1 talaga. Hindi ko naman to nalaro dati. I mean, nakikita ko lang lagi sa mga computer shop. Pero, yo, what's up? Sige, ikaw na lang tuloy. Wait, check ko lang. Ito na lang. Ang height niya... Ano ang pangalan ng bida sa Barkada Trip? Bok. Si Bonifacio Andres. Ayun, pwede ako mag-edit. Since mababa ako, lagay tayo sa short dunk. Sige, lahat dyan. Let's go. Ano to? Nakakamiss naman yung mga ganitong channel sa mga online games. Tara, start na. Ito pala. Match booster. Ano yan? Ano meaning yan? Backspace nga. Ayan. Yes! First basketball match.
It's time for a big show. Let's get this party started.
It's time for big show! Oh no, parang ang galing ng mga kakampi ko. Sige, sorry na lang sa point guard. Paano bang controls nito? Alright, that's me! Hey, salute! Oh, ba't ka nagbo-boxing basketball to? Paano ba to? Paano yung controls? Anong gagawin ko? Z...
Get ready.
Me? Hindi. Ayun. Shift, rebound. Paano? Ano yan? Ano yari? Pasa mo sa akin. Paano magpasa? S?
Well, I didn't expect much.
Yes! So, S. Tapos... Paano mag-D ang rebound? Block? That's mine! Ooh! Me! Give it to me!
Don't flatter yourself.
Potek rebound sana yun. Wala na akong energy. What is happening? Ayun na. It's my turn. Wow! Pasa! Sabay pasa sa akin! Pasa sa akin! Paano mag-shoot?
Well, I didn't expect much.
Wait lang, binabasa ko yung nasa gilid eh. Ano ba? Paano ba? D. Dapat pinasa nyo yun sa akin. Pasa nyo naman. Di ko alam kung ano nangyari. Yeah. Pa-shootin mo ako.
Oh, nice pass. Hey, we don't
Pasa!
play basketball alone.
Here.
Bruh.
Can you do this too? Downtown.
Trinay kong steal. Akin!
There's no one marking me.
Akin!
There's no one.
Ako naman! Akin!
No one marking me.
Oh, from downtown. It's me.
Oh no.
Oh,
Ayun!
nice pass.
Akin!
There's no one marking me.
Okay lang yan. Assist na yan. 20 points na siya. Sige, ikaw na naman lang maglaro. Akin na. Akin na.
Chance to score.
My turn to shoot. Short. Shine sana tapos shoot sasabihin ko. Ayun na. Sa mukha mo. Close fight, close fight,
You
close
need an
fight.
assist?
You just lost. Better luck
Easy
next
win!
time.
My record, 1 assist. Well played. Zero points. Nice. Nice first game. Tatry ko na lang maging point guard na maayos. Tara, akin.
Marking me.
Akin.
Nice.
Hindi. Ako naman.
You need an assist?
Asa?
Slam.
Di naman nila ako sinasali sa laro. Ayan na, akin na naman. Oh!
How your legs feeling, man? Little wobbly.
Oh! Ayan na.
Oh,
Yun.
Nice pass. Nice pass. Oh, defense.
Ayan na, ako na naman.
From downtown.
Uy, wala. Nice D yun sa akin.
Nice. Shot clock.
20 points na lang.
Get ready.
Uy! Me! Pero steal ko yun, ah.
From, okay.
Wala.
Good D. I see you. Rebound.
Chance to score.
Potek lakas.
From downtown. It's good. It's oh, nice.
Pasa!
Score. What a
Akin!
any quicker. They're gonna think we paying you. Angle.
Oh!
Did you see it? Get ready.
Walang nagawa yung character
You need
yun.
an assist?
Ayan na. Oh!
Hustle.
Pagod na yung character ko.
10 seconds left.
25 points. Tara, kayang-kaya. One steal. Nice. Pero ba lumabas? Hindi. Na. Bok Andres. Shot clock at 4. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
We have plenty of time.